Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Weekend Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Kroger. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kroger.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Kroger website. Now from the homepage, click on the sign in button at the top right corner to log into your account. Then click on the sign in once again. And now this will take you into the login portal. Now all you need to do is type in your email address and password. So go ahead and enter the email address that you have set up while creating your account and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. You can finally click on the sign in button and now you will be logged into your existing account on the Kroger website right away. And you can now directly start making your purchases. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Kroger website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.